I prefer builds because I can try something new, for example, new patterns, new methods, new ways of developing, and everything is created from scratch and you have a big variety of implementing. On the other hand, if you maintain something, you don't have opportunity to solve tasks creatively. But you can look at someone code and learn something new, which I think is good for junior developers. But every developer has their own opinion about this question.
In the IT field, the question of preference between working on builds or maintenance boils down to whether one enjoys creating applications from scratch or maintaining existing ones. Personally, I find value and excitement in both. Building from scratch allows for creativity and innovation, while maintenance hones problem-solving skills and ensures stability. Each presents its own set of challenges and rewards, making it difficult to choose a favorite one. Ultimately, I thrive on the variety and balance between the two.
Okay, the question is not as simple as it seems at first glance. Of course, every developer, like any master, dreams of creating his own masterpiece, and this supposes the first option. But at the same time, this choice imposes much greater responsibility, knowledge of subject area, good architectural and technical skills. Are we ready for such a challenge? I believe yes with Swan team. So, my choice is working on builds. Thank you.